Hello guys, it's a long time I haven't done videos. I have been overseas and I have a lot of stuff to do. So today, how to spot the new trend. As you might know, 2022, from the first day, which was green on the January 3rd, and then after that, the market collapsed into a big downtrend. Okay? And everything was going down at the exception of the energy sector, which was doing good and stocks are going up. And it's the opposite of the stock market. The whole stock market was going down. Okay? And at the exception of the energy sector, and with what we saw is that if you go to check, for example, energy sector and some industries in energy sector, you see that they are been doing good, but not all the sectors of energy sector have been doing good. Anything that it is related to clean energy with the wind, electricity, another thing, all these stocks were going down, which is, as you might know, you should follow indexes. You should follow the sector. When you see the sector is going up, it doesn't mean that all the industries are going up. And it doesn't mean that all the stocks are going up, although the majority have been doing so. Now, for all the other sectors, they have been going down. So it's now, after 5 months of going down, it's now the opportunity to see if there is a reverse in the big trend. Now, when there is a reverse, it means all the stocks have been going down. They stop going down, then they go up. So it's the following weeks or the following 1 month or two, there should be something new in the market. There is nothing that stays forever. Every time there is a trend and there is a reverse of the trend. Last year, the trend was excellent. It was going good for many months. We have made a lot of money. This year, the trend has been going down. If you have used put options or inverted ETFs or shorting stocks, although shorting stocks is very, very difficult for beginners. So I don't, my opinion, don't go to this shorting stocks because they are very, very dangerous, especially for beginners who don't know the risk, because the risk is so big. Okay, so what I propose today is it means all the people who are following many years, they know what you should do in each time. So since this is the time of maybe a reverse, all the stocks have been going down, in the following weeks or 1 month or two, things maybe it will be different and all stocks go up. So it is the opportunity to buy from the bottom, or what we call the support line. You know, for me, I don't use news or what the influencers have said or other people. I don't care about what they do. What I care, anything that it is solid, it has an influence, it's big in the market, you can see it in the price. You don't need news. You don't need to listen to people, okay? Or to follow them. Because anything that happened, you see it in the price. If the price is going up, the guys said they will go up or go down. It's not that important. What's important is you check the chart. The chart doesn't lie. Now, what does it mean? People, they lie and they can predict things that are wrong. Okay, they say, for example, the market will collapse, everything will collapse, and it didn't. Okay, or this year will be the excellent year, and the people in January, they ask people to buy stocks, and they get hit, and we have a downtrend. So always do not just follow like this. Now, the second thing I want to tell you guys is that, guys, you should always make a difference between investing in a stock, what we call investing in a company, and swing trading. Now, swing trading, we follow trends. If there is a big trend, we follow it, we make money. If it goes down, we do whatever is necessary, like put options or selling short or inverted inverse ETFs, and we can make money. Okay, but whenever there is a danger and you begin to lose money, you should exit the trade. You should never stay in a position that it is opposite you for a long time, because you will be losing a lot of money and you don't know what you are doing. Because when you are investing, this is another thing. Investing has other techniques. When you stay in a stock that it is going down, if the market is going down with it, it means that when the whole market is coming back, your stock or your investment will come back too, in most of the cases. But if this is when we speak about investing, investing is another thing. You should see the company, you should see competition, you should see a lot of things about the company and the industry and the sector that it was in. For example, almost all energy companies are making money right now in this year. Okay, it is even before the beginning of the war between Russia and Ukraine. Okay, so it's before that, and energy sector is doing good. So understand that sectors are not always following the market. Energy sector is doing good, but energy sector, as I told you before at the beginning of this session, that it is not all the industries. Any industry that it is a clean industry, like wind companies or electricity companies or the other stuff, that it is not like oil and gas, most of them are falling and going down like the market. But the only stocks that go good is oil and gas production and exploration and drilling and the other stuff. So for today, you have the opportunity to study my training, which is called Training Level 13, which is how to buy stocks from support line. Now, this is a major training. Where the market is going down, it must stop and all the stocks go up. So it's just, you know, the techniques that I use in order to spot the reverse, and then you can make money. Okay, it's as easy as that. You don't need anyone who tells you when the market stops or where the market is doing good, because the future, no one knows the future. But the chart gives you the reverse, and you can see it clearly, and you just follow. If you don't succeed, you just exit and you have made a trade, because this is not an investment that you buy and you hold for 6 months or 1 year. This is not the case, except when there is a trend and you are making money. Okay, so please go and check. The links are here. You can buy the training in ebook, or if you like videos, you can buy it by training by videos. It's very good for those who wants to check a video than to read text and pictures. Okay, now if you are looking at all, you can check all my my training in my website. And if you are willing to buy more than one, you can just send me an email at istockmoney@yahoo.com, and I will give you a discount. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. And if you have questions, as usual, send me an email. Thank you and have a nice day.